In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone as mods in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to safely remove a moderator from your Reddit community. First, make sure you're logged into the Reddit account that actually has moderator permissions for the community you want to manage. You can only remove moderators if you're a mod yourself, and in many cases, you'll need to be a higher level or original moderator for that subreddit. Start by opening the community where you want to remove a moderator. You can do this by searching for the subreddit name in the Reddit search bar, or by clicking it from your list of communities in the sidebar or the drop-down menu. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, you'll see the community banner, the posts, and the sidebar. Next, look for the option called Mod Tools. This usually appears either in the sidebar or in the top or right-hand area when you're viewing your community. Click on Mod Tools. This is your main control panel for managing the subreddit, so it's where all the important settings live, including moderation, rules, and user management. Inside the Mod Tools area, find and click on the section labeled Mods and Members. This section is specifically designed to help you see everyone who has a role in your community, from regular members to approved submitters and, of course, moderators. Clicking this will open a list of roles and management options. Within Mods and Members, locate and click on Moderators. This is where you'll see the full list of accounts that currently have moderator permissions for your subreddit. Take a moment to double check the username of the person you want to remove, just to be sure you're editing the correct moderator. Next to the moderator you want to remove, you should see a trash icon. This icon represents deleting or removing that user's moderator role. Click on the trash icon next to their name. Reddit may show you a confirmation prompt just to prevent accidental removals. Finally, click on Remove to confirm. Once you do this, that user will no longer have moderator permissions in your community. It can take a moment for the change to show, but after that, they'll appear as a regular member, not a mod. And that's it, you've successfully removed someone as a moderator on Reddit.